As a private investor, one of your biggest problems is which share do you choose to buy on the JSE. And this is a big problem because there are about 400 shares listed there, and which one will give you the best opportunity to make a profit. To help you with this problem, we have developed the winning shares list. This is a list of about 100 shares, and they're taken from all over the JSE. Some of them are blue chip shares, some of them are secondaries, and others are speculative shares. The only thing which they have in common is that they are all shares which have the great potential to go up. In fact, historically, about 70 to 80% of these shares have done well. So before you select your shares to buy, have a look at the winning shares list. The first share on the list is EOH. Let's use it as an example. The shares are numbered on the left from the oldest to the newest. So EOH has been on the list for the longest, since the 21st of September 2009. The next column, headed Price, shows the price at which the share was trading on the JSE on the day that it was added to the list, so that you can see that when EOH was added, it was trading for 920 cents. The column after that, which is headed High, shows the highest price which the share has reached since it was added. In the case of EOH, that was 9,000 cents. After that, the next column shows the closing price, the latest closing price for the share. In the case of EOH, that was 86 Rand and 50 cents, or 8,650 cents. Then the percentage gain is calculated. So you can see that EOH has risen by 840.2% since it was added to the list about 4.5 years ago. Now let us take a look at a few of the other winning shares. Coronation was added to the list on the 1st of September 2011. It was trading then for just 20 Rand and 40 cents, or 2,040 cents. Or Finbond, which was added to the list on the 8th of November 2012 at a price of just 25 cents. Today, Finbond is about 296 cents, a gain of more than 1,000% in just 18 months. If you look down the percentage gain column on the winning shares list, you will see that many shares there have done extremely well, many of them above 100%, and in less than a year. You must look at this list and choose the shares that you want to buy. But bear in mind, all that we have done here is to cut your problem from 400 shares to 100 shares. You still have to do your homework. Some of the shares on the list are high-quality blue-chip shares with a relatively low risk. Others are secondaries, growth companies, which are still starting up and getting going. And still others are speculative penny stocks. You must do your homework and then choose shares which you think are appropriate to you. So there are many different shares on this list, but the only thing they all have in common is that they all have great potential to go up.